If you think there is only one way to disinfect your bathroom, you are wrong. This tip will surprise you. We already talked about the amazing benefits of garlic on our channel, and today we will learn about one more amazing use for this plant that you may not know yet. Have you ever heard about the trick of putting garlic in the toilet? Today, with our fast-paced lives, it is hard to take a time to clean and organize our home. Some chores are easy to do, but taking care of the bathroom isn't always so simple. Did you know that the bathroom is one of the places that accumulates the most fungus and bacteria? To clean the bathroom, people end up using very strong chemicals that, even though they do clean the place, can be harmful to the health. To do it in a more natural way, in today's video we will show you a trick that can help you keep your bathroom clean using garlic. Ever thought about it? See now how to disinfect your bathroom with a garlic clove. Before going to sleep, peel a garlic clove and put it inside your toilet. Let it there throughout the night, and in the following morning, flush. Do this procedure at least twice a week, and always at night since it is when the bathroom is less used. The garlic will help with its antimicrobial and antifungal powers. Another good option to disinfect the toilet, and one that brings quick results, is using garlic tea. Learn how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, cut 3 garlic cloves in small pieces, and put it in the water. Turn off the heat, close the pan, and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, pour the tea inside your toilet. Just like the first tip, it is better if you do it just before going to bed, when the bathroom will be used less. These 2 tricks are the fastest way of disinfecting your toilet and getting rid of bacteria in a natural way, and it also eliminates those yellow spots around the toilet. Did you like the information? If you liked the video, like it and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.